Just want to share something. Anybody runs across this problem, I'm quite sure you will when these things start getting old. This pulley here, right here. Well, the deck up under there had just completely slammed, worn out, and I was wondering why I was going through, went through a belt, checking everything, checking the guides, and it felt sturdy, but I guess once it gets under pressure, when it's engaged, the pressure from it just pulls that pulley right up if it's not attached correctly. So you see what I had done here, and these two brackets are welded straight to the side of that pulley mount, and thus far, 2 weeks, it's been pretty stable. It's been great. So there's an option there. I mean, a lot of times when these decks start going, you just have to get creative in trying to stretch them out. So I can stretch it out a little while longer. Maybe I'll run across one, or who knows. But yeah, just thought I'd share that. That's an option. I don't weld, but it's always good to know someone who's got a creative mind. It sure saved me a ton of headache there. So just thought I'd pass that along. Take care.